Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm in BC Road and it's around 6:30 a.m. and I am traveling back to Bangalore today. So today I'll be taking the not the usual route like from Charmadi ghat. I'm taking the Charmadi ghat and then Mudigere and then to Hassan. So from Hassan to Bangalore. So it will again, I guess, take around 355 kilometers from BC Road. So from Charmadi ghat, if you go from Charmadi ghat from BC Road to Bangalore, it will take around 330 kilometers. So it is only around 20-25 kilometers. And also I don't have any set destinations today to visit on the way. So I'll try to find some place nearby like Charmadi ghat, however I will stop. And after that I might end up going to Belur. Belur, there is Halebidu and Belur temple. So let's see. If possible, I'll go there. Stop at our favorite viewpoint in Charmadi. Here. So reached Kotigara, going for breakfast. So after breakfast at Kotigara, now I'm resuming the ride. Actually, I planned thought of going to Kyatanamakki. Kyatanamakki is almost around 50 kilometers from Kotigara. I guess around 50-55 plus. But thing is, we need to go to from Kotigara, we have to take a left, go near Kalasa, and then again I have to go back to Bangalore. So it is it will be around 80 more kilometers. So total now it is 275. If I go to Kyatanamakki and then again if I come back to Bangalore, then it will be around 330-340 kilometers. So that plan I have drawn. And from here I can go to Devaramane also, but Devaramane, I had been to Devaramane very recently. So let's see, if possible I'll go to Belur and Halebidu temple. I don't know if possible, let's see. Otherwise I'll directly head back to Bangalore. However, it is showing around 5 hours from now. So now it is around 10 o'clock in the morning. So let's see. So there are lot of temples inside this only. So this is one temple which you are seeing right now, and this one is Veeranarayana temple, and this is the main temple, Channageshwara temple. So this is the main temple of Belur, and there's few small temples as well, 1, 2, 3 and few more. A nice place and lot of tourists also today. It's fascinating to see the people explaining the history over here. So now I'm heading towards Halebidu from Belur. So from Belur to Halebidu it is around 15-16 kilometers. So it's already around 12 o'clock. So let's see. Even today, in Belur, there were a lot of tourists. I thought today is Saturday, so there might be less tourists. But still, let's see how many tourists will be there in Halebidu. So that was the Halebidu Hoysala temple. So now I have to join the Hasana to Bangalore highway. So from here it is around 216 kilometers to Bangalore. So it is showing around 4.5 hours, almost 4 hours 15 minutes. So let's see. I guess now it is 1 o'clock. So by 4:30 I might reach Bangalore. Let's see. So now done with lunch. After Chandraipatna I got some hotel Mantri Mahal. Last time also I had come here, but that time the food was better, so I had stopped this here, but this time the food was pathetic. Anyway, let's get going. I still have around 152 kilometers. So I've already done 210 kilometers, so another 150 kilometers. So let's see how much time. It's around 2:30 now, so it should be another 2.5 hours. So by 5:30 I'll be reaching Mangalore. So let's see. just reached Nelmangala. So from the after lunch till now I have covered 325 kilometers total covered, so minus 210, so around 115 kilometers in a single stretch, no breaks. So now it's 4:15. I started at around 2:30, so it took me around how much, 1 hour 40 minutes I guess to cover 120 kilometers. So now from here it is still around 35 kilometers to where I stay in Bangalore. Let's see, I'll take 5-10 minutes break here and then I resume again. Just a very quick update on the condition of my bike. Both the oil seals, if you can see, both the oil seals are damaged. It's been for a few days, or I guess 1 or 2 weeks it has been like this. So I have to get it checked. If just the oil seals are damaged, then it is fine. Otherwise I have to get this pipe changed if that is damaged. So let's see, this is the condition right now. Chains are still in good condition, not much of dirt and all. So let's see, once I reach Bangalore I'll get that front suspension checked. From here around 30 kilometers left to place where I stay in Bangalore, and also there is nothing much, the usual Bangalore traffic. So just wrapping up the video here only. Thanks for watching this video. Please let me know if you like or did not like the video in the comment section. And also if you like the content, then please subscribe to the channel, that would help a lot. So till the next time, tata, bye bye, and thank you for watching this video.